Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this short video, we're going to talk about how to fix business credit reports and scores. So since there's no Fair Credit Reporting Act in the business world, there's no formal way to dispute inaccurate accounts and get them deleted from your business credit reports. So each business reporting agency kind of has their own way of actually executing this process. So in most cases, any items you dispute will get removed with one simple online dispute if the information is inaccurate. It's much easier to get items removed from your business credit reports that are inaccurate than it is in the consumer world. Now, Experian and Equifax will require you to buy their credit monitoring services to dispute with them online. You do want to dispute with them online, and you could do so directly from their credit monitoring platforms. Now, Dun & Bradstreet has a free service called iUpdate, where you can actually update any information with them to fix any inaccuracies you have without needing to pay for credit monitoring. So make sure you fix any inaccuracies on your business credit reports so you can have the best credit reports and scores when you need them.